iPhone overheating issue. If you're facing iPhone overheating issues, you're not alone. Many users are experiencing the same, so we're here to share how to prevent your iPhone from excessive heating. But before we get on with the solutions, it is essential to know why is there an overheating issue on the iPhone. Let's take a deeper look. Why does my iPhone get so hot? As there are several reasons why the iPhone tends to overheat, pinpointing the one that could be at the heart of the issue is a little tricky. For instance, a bulky case with no heat dissipation, a fake charger, power-hungry features, and faulty battery are some of the well-known culprits. Not just that, even a software bug, cluttered storage, long exposure to the hot and humid condition, and extensive usage, i.e. action-packed gaming or hours of video streaming, are also known to play spoilsport. How to fix overheating issue in iPhone. Avoid hot environment conditions. Get rid of the faulty, fake charger. Turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data and personal hotspot. Turn on low battery mode on iPhone. Force close all background apps. Reboot iPhone. Update iOS, open Settings app, General, Software update. Reset all settings, open Settings app, General, Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's password and confirm. Declutter your iPhone. A cluttered iPhone is home to several problems like rather sluggish performance and overheating. If you haven't cleaned up your iPhone for a while, chances are pretty high that the storage may be full of storage hogging files, which could be creating chaos. Contact Apple Store. Finally, contacting Apple support is the last resort to address such issues. If none of the above fixes and precautionary steps help, then there may be a manufacturing defect with the battery or other components inside the iPhone. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit britishdsire.com/elearning and register. Thank you.